So OASIS project is a coordination and support action European project. And so in this project, 9 photonic clusters from 7 different countries are involved in this project. France, Italy, Sweden, Netherlands, Germany, UK and Spain. So this project lasts 30 months and it started in December 2013 and will end in May 2016. So 9 photonic clusters constitute the OASIS consortium, and we could see in the map the several partners of this project. So Optitech cluster from Marseille is the coordinator of the project, and also Photonics Bretagne, the second French cluster, is also involved in this consortium. Also 2 photonic clusters coming from Italy, with Politecnico di Milano and the CNR Optoscana from Florence. And we have also Photonics Sweden, Optech BB Berlin, Photonics Netherlands are located more to the north of Europe, in Sweden, Germany, and Netherlands. And last but our valuable partner are also SECFO cluster, located in Spain, and also Swansea University from UK. This is a very, very large consortium, and also these 7 countries represent more 70% of the former European Commission investment in biophotonics. So it's a very huge representative European cluster in this project to the biophotonics. So, OASIS project is focused on 2 main societal topics. First is the healthcare in aging society. It's a very, very huge societal challenge. And second, safer and healthier foods, because the safety for the agri-food application is also a very important issue. So let me present you the main goal of this project and the concept of the project. So the objective of OASIS project is to help SMEs to access life science infrastructure and facilities. So on the one hand, SMEs have some difficulties getting to know the end user needs, specifically in biophotonics fields. And on the other hand, different stakeholders don't have clear ideas what photonics technology can do in the field. So this leads to the situation where state-of-the-art technology are being developed but are not used in the applicative sector. So the main challenge is to cross the SMEs, and disruptive technologies will be available, and also the end user needs and requests. So the main goal of OASIS project is to demonstrate that European cluster can support the technologies, the transfer of these technologies, and improve also the communication between technologies developers and end user in the life science. And so the main task of OASIS project is to set up and propose several tools, some such as smart books, brochure, and so on, and database and workshop to increase and strengthen the links and to reduce the gap between the SMEs and also the needs from the end users. So the project is developing a toolbox, yes, in order to improve technology transfer processes, which will be available for the other European cluster. It's important to explain that in this project we develop some services, some different possibilities, but we would like also to spread this solution, to spread these different toolbooks and also the service for the other European cluster. So in this way, it will help to improve SMEs' R&D and market position, and also to improve the use of European public funding. This is the first step, the first challenge of this OASIS project. And in the other hand, it will allow also to hospital and industrial dedicate and focus in biophotonics to easier adopt emerging technologies from biotechnology and to strengthen the supply chain. So we have two main key objectives to link the SMEs, R&D and public funding to develop and increase the efficiency of these technologies, and in the other hand, to matchmaking emerging technologies to hospital and industrial fields, and also to have a very complete supply chain to biophotonics. So let me present you some output of OASIS project in the first step of the project, and this is the first deliverable which are developed by this project. The first task was to drop up an inventory of SMEs and license, infrastructure and facilities in the region or country of different partners. So we could see in this slide that more than 120 SMEs from 7 countries was interviewed, and also we analyzed also the needs from these SMEs. And so with this all data will be collected in a website and in an online database, and this database is available in the website for architect of OASIS project. And also this database also collects the facilities which are present in this biophotonics in the several European partners, and we could identify more 87 facilities, as well as 16 end users are displayed. So we could see in the website OASIS project the all data collecting and SMEs, end user needs, and also facilities. This is the three main output of the project in the first step of this OASIS project. So also in order to increase the dissemination of this different information, different database, and so we are producing several tools for this dissemination, such as a newsletter, such as website, such as leaflets, such as brochure and smart book, also gathering success stories from SMEs, but also from facilities. Then let me move to going on project. What is the next step and what is the next challenge for European for this OASIS project? So in the one hand, with this first step, we could identify between SMEs and between license several main issues and difficulties to make this technology transfer from license to SMEs. And I could just present you several reasons, such as bureaucracy, such as difficulty to have the same word, the same type of communication, also the difficulty to IP and confidentiality data between SMEs and also license, also the regulatory aspect and also juridical aspect, and also it's difficult for SMEs to understand the very large financing call and financing support. So we could identify these several issues between SMEs to connect SMEs and license. Then for the next step for the OASIS project is to give two main answers to answer for this main challenge and issue. The first is to develop more services that might arise between SMEs and licensed facilities, such as mediation, such as translation between the different language of the technology provider, end user, and other actors in the license. Also to organize the networking activities via conference or B2B meeting, and also promotion about different dissemination tools. And you could see that we don't develop some of these tools, but we would like to increase and spread the new tools to increase these services to SMEs. Also, the other type of services could be the management of projects, because this is a very huge methodologic and important aspect. Management of project involving technology provider and license actor, because it's difficult to match making in the same project the SMEs who develop technologies, disruptive technologies in biophotonics, and also the license actors, and also guidance to find the right partner and financing. So this is the first idea to increase these toll books. The second level of answer to give an answer for these several issues is also to develop a network and to connect OASIS project with the other European network and other European framework. For example, we would like to connect OASIS project with the PPP Photonics 21. This is photonics public and private photonics. Also, we would like to increase the links with the other photonics cluster, not only focus on biotechnologies, and more than 45 photonics clusters are present at European level, and also to create the links and partnership with the research institution, and also incubator, because incubator could be a good way to help SMEs to develop services, and also to create workshop and several possibilities to link the SMEs and also the end user. So this is the several, and the next stage and the next proposition of OASIS project until the end of this project. So then, to close this speech, Veni Andrea Nanja explain the next 5 workshops will take place until the end of this project.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So one of the project activities is also to organize technical meetings and workshops. These workshops are aiming to bring together relevant stakeholders in order to build consortia that would submit a European project in the field of life sciences, which would be based on the unmet needs of final users. So we have already realized 4 workshops during the first period of the project, and 5 other workshops will take place by the end of the project in May 2016. So the next workshop will be organized in Marseille and Aix-en-Provence on November 4. It will address the topic of Imagine and Horizon 2020 calls, and also it will be followed by another workshop in Milano on November 25, and the topic is about ultra-fast science and biomedical optics. One workshop addressing Beyond Vision will be organized in Amsterdam on January 21st, 2016. And on February 25, 2016, a workshop about laser sources will be held in UK. And the last one will take place on May 2016 in Uppsala, and the topic will be about veterinary and agriculture. So these are the list of workshops that we will organize, and we are, of course, fervently invited to participate to our workshops.
Okay, thank you for your attention, and also we are available for any question and precision. Thank you.